Every genuine Taylor comes with either this structured gig bag or a case depending on the model. This particular gig bag came with my GS Mini E Rosewood, which I've done quite a few videos on. You can check out my channel. If your GS Mini came in a case and you're wondering if you want this gig bag, or maybe you're just wondering if your non-Taylor travel size guitar will benefit from having this bag, this video is for you. So at a high level, this is a structured gig bag. So unlike other padded gig bags, it has a lot of rigidity to it. It can almost double as a case, honestly. And because of it, it is a little bit on the heavier side at 4.3 pounds. Exterior dimensions are as follows if you're wondering how travel friendly this is. The total length is 39 inches, the widest point is 16 inches, and the thickness is 8 inches, with the possibility of expanding more if you really pump up that accessory compartment. Interior wise, if you're wondering if this will fit your non-Taylor travel guitar, total length interior-wise is 37 inches. The widest bout is 14 inches. Narrow bout is 11 inches. You can pretty much spot Taylor gig bags a mile away with its tan color polyvinyl material, and of course it has the clear Taylor logo smack in the center of it. Because of its light color, and plus since this is housing a GS Mini travel guitar, you may want to help prevent any stains by waterproofing it. I personally use this Scotchgard spray, which I'll link in the description if you guys are interested. It goes on really smoothly and it has prevented some dirtiness from sticking onto the case. On the bottom, it does have these plastic buffers to prevent tears when setting it down, and there are several options of carry, including of course the most popular backpack strap, which are adjustable, and the pads have mesh lining so to help with breathability, or you can hold it by the two side handles here, and there's also an additional top handle to carry it vertically. The zippers are very robust. They're all dual zippered and they're very big, and what I like about the design is that the zippers are a little bit recessed, so the lip comes up to prevent any zipper damage if you were to quickly pull your guitar in and out of the case like I often do without fully unzipping. On the interior, it's super padded, as you can see all around. Anywhere where the padding will come in direct contact with your guitar has this silky smooth material to it. You can see the neck rest here, which is non-removable. It's sewn right into the case. It very snugly fits the GS Mini. You can see there's barely any room above the headstock to really fit a capo. You can if you really try, but more than likely you'll have to store any clip-on items in the accessory compartment, whose dimensions are 13 inches wide and 16.5 inches tall. The accessory compartment is where it deviates from the bigger version of the structured gig bag. I also made a whole video on that if you're interested, but this only has a single small elastic pocket right here. It doesn't have any other zippered compartments like the bigger size does. But this little pocket is big enough to hold the original paperwork, maybe your capo or your strap, and maybe a tuner. But the rest of the accessory compartment is quite large, so you can fit things like a full folder with your sheet music. I was able to fit my iPad with a keyboard case plus a songbook in there, so I think this is plenty big for this size. So altogether, this is a really nice high quality guitar gig bag. It's really nice that Taylor automatically includes this with their GS Mini line. Of course, if you were to buy it alone, brand new, it is going to be pricier than other padded guitar bags, but it's definitely worth the price considering all of the durability features that I pointed out in this video. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description, and also check out my videos already done on the GS Mini E Rosewood that I have here. Thanks for watching.